Welcome back to Life-Changing Wealth. You know who it is. Your boy, Jay Biondo here. I post 2 videos every day about the stock market, cryptocurrency, and real estate investing. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button below, and turn on that notification bell. Let's jump into it. Today, we're going to talk about NFTs. NFTs on Ethereum mostly, because first let me sort of frame this for those that are not familiar with maybe what an NFT is. So NFTs are a way to store a piece of art or a digital piece of property on a blockchain to create a sense of uniqueness. And to be sold as art, as a way to sort of validate that you have a unique something, a unique piece of art, is what I'm going to show you guys today. But before, and you guys have to stick around for this, before I get into the ridiculousness of NFTs and how people are making millions and millions of dollars, your mind's going to be blown. But before we jump into that, let's just take a quick look at the Ethereum charts. Let's just get brought up to speed with where we are. So Ethereum, the biggest platform is called OpenSea, which is a dApp that lives on top of Ethereum, where these pieces of artwork are being sold. So a lot of times, now that's not all of OpenSea. You can also mint on other protocols aside from Ethereum, but Ethereum is sort of the king for NFTs right now. And so with that said, Ethereum's trading at 4,200 today. We are almost at a point where we're teetering with new all-time highs. We're not quite there yet. The USD value is on the uptrend, mostly because of what's been going on with Bitcoin. So if we take a quick look at the Ether BTC valuation, we can see we're mostly just trending sideways here, and we have been since May. Been on a little bit of a downtrend and bleeding against Bitcoin now that Bitcoin's gone on this massive rally. So, all in all, Ethereum's doing quite well. It's holding up well, but I don't think we're going to see Ethereum really pop off until mid-December would be my guess. And now that doesn't mean the USD value won't go up. I think the USD value will go up. I just think that you're not going to see a massive Ethereum tsunami until probably 2022. So those are my initial thoughts on that. But Ethereum does power this whole NFT craze that we're in. So let's talk about that a little bit more. So what NFTs are out there, and what do they sell for, right? What are these things? Do people even care about these things? NFTs are hot. They are very hot. You might be able to say they were hotter last year, but I'm going to show you how bananas this is. So CryptoPunks was an artwork project that launched that just creates these little icons or little avatars, these little like pixel art 2D icons, right? And this one little image here last sold for $7.58 million US dollars, guys. 7.58 million. Yeah. And so for this little thing that looks like, I could have made that when I was about 4 years old. Stunning, right? Stunning. So just imagine if you were to make one of these little things and sell it for a fraction of what these guys are getting, right? Totally nuts. Totally nuts. And so what I find most interesting is when I go and click on the top seller, right, is this guy, whoever owns this, on August 28th of this year, was offered $126 million for that NFT. Yeah, $126 million. And it wasn't accepted. It wasn't sold. Think about how nuts that is. I can't even, my brain wants to explode just thinking about this. Whoever owns these things, especially these crypto punks, yeah, I don't know. Talk about life-changing wealth. So now people are doing this as a side hustle. People are creating pieces of art, putting them up on OpenSea on the Ethereum network, and selling these as a way to really make a side hustle. You know, what I even see people doing is they're hiring artists, then they're having them make a piece of art. They're minting them themselves. They're paying them like minimum wage. These artists, you know, they're getting all these pieces of art and they're posting them up and minting them as NFTs and making a slamming profit on the margin between getting the art and then posting it up. You have people now even not only just creating the pieces of art and selling them, you also have people buying them and trading them as if they were almost like a stock or crypto certificate. Totally nuts, really. It's like almost like a whole new like financial marketplace, or like a trading of assets. Almost like as if this was like Pokemon cards or something crazy like that is the only thing I can somewhat relate it to, but it's really, really unique of its kind. And so for those that want to consider getting into this, the big site for this is OpenSea.io. We can quickly do a little explore, browse some NFTs. Let's just look at this guy right here. Oh, selling for $291. This piece of art, right? Totally mind-blowing. What I don't even know what to say, guys. I mean, let's look at the stoner cats here. We got the stoner cat. Oh, selling for $4,221. Okay, so the amount of money out there in this world is nuts. And I just wanted to show you guys this as a frame of reference to show you how rich some people are, and how there is a lot of opportunity in other ways to make money, to make that life-changing wealth. So hopefully that just gets you guys thinking. And yeah, that's really it. That's what I wanted to leave you guys with today. Don't forget to check out all of my other videos about other investment topics. Hit the subscribe button down below. Definitely give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And comment down below. Let me know. What do you think about somebody offering $126 million for a piece of pixel art? What do you think about these NFTs? Are they the future? Are they something you would get into? I'm dying to know what your thoughts are, because my mind wants to explode. That's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video.